another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube logo in 2024. So the first things that you are going to want to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to search up Photopea. Once you search that up, you click on the first link. And then it comes up with this page. Then you're probably going to see like a different page, and then it says start using Photopea. Just click on that. But then once you've done that, you go onto here, and then you're going to click on new project. And then you're going to go down to where it says YouTube profile, and then do the width by 1000 and the height by 1000. And do the background on transparent, and then just hit create. So now I'm on this page. So what you're going to do now, so we add a tab, and then we're going to go to Google, and then we need to search up some images. So we're just going to search up blue background, because why not? You can do different backgrounds as well. I quite like this one, so I'm gonna choose it. I'm gonna just drag it onto there, or you could just use Control and V, and then I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger like that. You could just copy the image and press Control and V, but I'm just doing it this way. Then once you've done that, you're gonna click the tick button. And then it's going to look like this, but now you're probably going to want to add some text. So click on the text button and then make a little box up here. And then I'm going to type in my channel name, so Sammy Yeet. And then you're going to highlight the Okay, so then you're going to highlight the text. Sorry, that took a bit of a while. It's just my computer's being a bit weird, but once you've highlighted that text, you're going to see the little size thing. So then you're going to click the down arrow, and then you're going to make the text bigger. So you need to highlight the text to make it bigger. I'm going to do that. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to press the tick button. That looks pretty good, but it could be like a bit better. Maybe I could like drag it a bit down, like, you know what I mean? But that's looking pretty good. You could just like do the text a bit down, you know? But that will do, I guess. So I'll just click the tick button. And then, like, you know, it's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to go to file, and I'm gonna do export as, and I'm gonna do PNG, and I'm just gonna press save, and then once you saved it, there's like a little download button right here, show downloads, and then I'm gonna click on the new project. And then once I've done that, I'm just gonna click it again, and then I'm just gonna drag it onto here. So that now I dragged it onto my desktop, I'm gonna go back to YouTube. I'm gonna go back to YouTube right here, and then once you've got onto YouTube, I'm going to go onto my channel and go to customize my channel. And then you can see, just taking a little while to load. Then I'm just going to go on to change, and then, like, you know, you can just, you can click on that. You could do upload. Then it's just like that. So that's how to make a YouTube profile picture in 2024. I hope you all I hope this tutorial helped you, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. The only thing that I forgot to add was the font, because I forgot the font, so I'm just going to do a little bit of the short bit. So I'm just going to show you how to do the font. So you just go up to here and then you go down, and then you can see that you can change the font like that, or maybe like that. That one looks pretty cool, so I'll choose that. But yeah, that's how to change the font. Sorry that I forgot to add it in the vid. This vid was a bit rushed, so yeah. But anyways, see you in the next video. Bye.